Yo, what up, SMTG? Back with another video. I haven't been consistent on doing these trade recaps, but I will try my best. Still haven't bought a PC yet, so I'm gonna be using my phone. But I'm gonna be honest. We lost a couple trades this week, but this is a trade which I took this week. So today we were up around 2K, I think. Yeah, that was the PNR. So I'm gonna walk through today's trade. So first on the daily time frame here, okay? We always start on the daily time frame. What did I see on the daily time frame? You might ask me. Very simple. We had baby. We had previous day sweep, okay? We swept the previous day, right here. Okay, swept the previous day, such as that, swept the previous day. But that was not enough, okay? If you go on the 1 hour here, what did I see? Very clearly, you can see that we had so many effigies on top. Price got just respecting these effigies. Okay, I'm gonna take this sync off first. Okay. We had these effigies, as you can see, being respected. We have the first one here. As well, that one. Okay, so I was looking on the previous day here. That was my draw on liquidity. Okay, this was my draw on liquidity here. The 610 range. That was my draw on liquidity. So very simple. What am I looking at? You might ask me. George, what are you looking for? SMT, what are you looking for? I'm looking for price to tap into a PD array, then retrace, then go back all the way here. So very simple. After I saw that price tapped into this fair value gap, okay, we had SMT divergence with ES, okay. We had SMT divergence with ES. Okay, I'm just gonna mark this up real quick. I still don't know how to use this dual charts or whatever. So, okay, I'm gonna pick one chart now. Okay, so as you can see, we have SMT divergence, and price went all the way down here. That was my SMT divergence. Now on the 15-minute, what else can you see? Very simple. We have the same thing here, okay? We have the same thing. There was a fair value gap, if you remember, with ES, which was somewhere here. So we already know that this price is going to correlate, okay? 930 right there. So we had a FEG here, SMT divergence inside is 0.5 PD area, okay? So I was looking price on the 0.5 here, which is somewhere here. As you can see, price went into that. So I'm already inside the discount. So I want to take this buy from there, okay? So on the 1 minute here, what did I see? Simple. What did I see on the 1 minute? Okay. Remember that SMT divergence that we created? Let's not go too far here, but we created SMT divergence right here. This is where we created the SMT divergence. Okay. What else? You might ask me. I will tell you that we have CSD, okay, which was the last down close candles, was here. Okay. So here was my entry of the trade going to the buy. Okay, took this trade here, stop loss right above the low, and I want a 1 to 2. That's all I want. A 1 to 2. September price action has been really testing my patience, bro, because it has been, doing all, like whatever, but yeah, 1 to 2 is what I took. But I took 2 trades. You might ask me, George, why do you take 2 trades? I'll tell you why. Now, if you go on the 15-minute here, okay, we also swept the previous the previous day. Okay, so if you go here and you just look out, Wassup Asia session. Okay, we don't have no other liquidity. Okay, we don't have no other liquidity from here. But as you can see here, we did sweep the previous day. Okay, and we created some divergence on ES. So what am I looking at here? George, what are you looking at? I'm looking at price to sweep the previous day and retrace back. Okay, and that is exactly what I did. I went on the 1 minute because we swept the previous day. Okay, we swept the previous day high, and I'm just looking on price. Okay, I'm looking on price, and what did I see? I see a sweep. This is like the total sweep. I saw the sweep, and the CSD as well is overpowered at this point. Took my trade right about here. This is where I took my trade. Okay, took my trade there. CSD. I ping pong it, right? Took this sell right here. Stop loss right about here. 1 to 2 every time. We never fail. Always prevail. I don't know how to rhyme, but somehow I'm swell. Stupid. So took this sell here, and price did come back on my entry, but I have a rule. I don't do break even, bro. It's either a stop loss is gonna get triggered or a take profit is gonna get triggered. I am a low or a trader. There's no reason for me to put break even. Okay. So right about here, took this sell, and this was my trade for today. See you on the next one.